this video we see the new software which name is MH software. Mostly the people are used for the to like XRD analysis or EDX analysis. So how to interpret data in this MH software, so we will be seeing in this video. Firstly, you can download your MH software from the this website Mesh download area, and you can download this one. So whenever you download it, so it will be in compressed file, and then whenever you later on extract it, so it will be look like this form. So this is the data of the XRD analysis, which is the geochemical analysis. So firstly we can go to like file and go to import and the differential data. So it will be like in my this make software. Yes, okay, so this is my XRD data. So whenever I just upload it, so it will be give me the graph. So you can zoom in, or you can also like this zoom out and zoom in. So this is the various peaks which shows different minerals. You can see it's a bunch of or thousand of mineral which shows the peaks, but some are the majority, like this one which is the majority peak. Some are less major, some are very like this kind of peak. So you can take only the major peaks, like for example in this we can see the quartz are very rich, and you can for using this software you mostly know the rock name, because whenever there is for example limestone XRD analysis, so the most mineral will be calcium and carbonate. So firstly which can I do? For example, I know that this is the quartzite sample, so I know that in the quartzite it's mostly the quartz, silica and oxygen. So we have oxygen, we have the carbon. So this is the different mineral you can select it, elements which are for example potassium, sodium or hydrogen. So whenever you just like this one, so it will select it. Now which can I do? I can do, okay, so I this is the option, which can you search the mineral. Just wait a minute. So you can click this one. So I know that this is the quartzite. For example, if I click this, so it's quartzite, so you enter the space bar, so it will be this red will be show the quartz. So you can see it shows the quartz, and then you can go to this option, so it will be show the how much silica, how much oxygen is present. And by clicking this one option, so it will be like it will be overall, it will be in the base form, and all the data will be in this XY coordinate. And for example, if I see the another mineral for example this one and space, so it will be also search this mineral and shows the different peaks, which can you see it. It can show different peaks like this one. So it is green color, so it means like this is the small peaks. Yeah, okay, so this for example this one is little bit present in the in this sample. And you can try another mineral. For example, if I go to this one, space, so you can easily see it. It will be search this mineral, and it also create a graph that how much percentage of different mineral. So okay, so we zoom out, so you can see it. It shows different peaks. Now how to export the data. So you can easily export it by clicking this. So it will be show the analysis, it will be show the mineral percentage, it will be show the last one like this kind of graph, in which it show the quartz is 75% and calcium is 551%. You can save it as a PDF. For example, if I save it as PDF, okay, and I can open the PDF, this one, so you can see it. This is the PDF of all data, and it also create this graph by this is the image of the graph. So you can see how to use this mate software uh, to put the XRD data and to create the different mineral percentage and also the peak of the graphs. So hope you will be find some new software like Origin. So we will be also working Origin in next video.